Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Lines. I am Lily. I am your teacher for today.
And hello, I am Alex. I am a learner, just like you.
How are you today, Alex?
I am very good, Lily. I am happy to be here. I am ready to learn. How are you?
I am great. Thank you, Alex. Today we have a very important topic. It is a topic for work. It is a topic for business.
Oh, interesting. What is the topic, Lily?
Today we will learn about writing a professional email.
Writing a professional email. That sounds useful, but it also sounds difficult.
Do not worry, Alex. We will make it simple. We will go slowly, step by step.
That is good. Slow is good, simple is good.
Exactly. Writing an email is like building a house. You need strong pieces. Today, we will learn the 4 main pieces of an email.
4 pieces. Okay, what is the first piece?
The first piece is the subject line.
The subject line. Can you explain that?
Yes, the subject line is the title of your email. It tells the other person what the email is about. It must be short. It must be clear.
Short and clear. Can I say hello in the subject line?
No, Alex. Hello is too simple. It is not clear. If you are writing about a meeting, you should say meeting.
Ah, I see. So if I want to ask about a project, I write project question?
Yes, project question is good. It is short. It is clear. Let's try another one. Imagine you want to ask for a holiday.
Okay, I want a holiday. Maybe I write holiday request?
Perfect. Holiday request. That is very professional. Listeners, let's practice. Repeat after me. Subject line. Subject line. Holiday request.
Okay, Lily. We have the subject line. We have the greeting. What is next?
Now we write the opening. The opening is the first sentence. It should be polite. It should be friendly.
Can I just start talking about work immediately?
You can, but it is better to be polite first. A very common opening is, I hope you are doing well.
I hope you are doing well. That's long. Can we break it down?
Good idea. Let's break it down. I hope.
I hope.
You are
You are
doing well.
doing well.
I hope you are doing well.
I hope you are doing well. That's a nice sentence. It shows I care.
Yes. Another option is, I hope you are having a good week.
I hope you are having a good week. I like that one too.
Listeners, it's your turn. Repeat this full sentence. It is very useful. I hope you are doing well. One more time. I hope you are doing well.
Okay, I have said hello. I have been polite. Now can I say why I'm writing?
Yes, Alex. Now we come to the purpose. This is the reason for your email. You can say, I am writing to.
I am writing to, and then I say my reason?
Yes. For example, I am writing to ask about the meeting.
I am writing to ask about the meeting. Simple.
Or, I am writing to send the report.
I am writing to send the report.
Let's look at the grammar, Alex. I am writing. We use the ing form, writing.
Writing. W-R-I-T-I-N-G. Writing.
Correct. We say, I am writing to. Listeners, let's practice this phrase. It is the most important phrase in email. Repeat after me. I am writing to. I am writing to ask a question.
Lily, what if I need them to do something? Like, I need an answer.
That is the call to action. You need to tell them what you want. You must be polite. Do not say, answer me now.
No, that is rude. Answer me now is bad.
Very bad. Instead, use the word please. You can say, please let me know.
Please let me know. That sounds soft. That sounds polite.
Yes, please let me know if you are available.
Please let me know if you are available. Available means free.
Yes, available means you have time, you are free. Listeners, repeat the word available. Available. Now the sentence. Please let me know if you are available.
Okay, so let's review my email so far. Subject line, meeting question. Greeting, Dear Mr. Smith. Opening, I hope you are doing well. Purpose, I am writing to ask about the meeting. Call to action, please let me know if you are available.
That sounds perfect, Alex. It is clear, it is professional, but we are not finished. We need to end the email.
The ending, how do I say goodbye? Do I say bye-bye?
No, bye-bye is for friends, it is for family. In a professional email, we use a closing. The most common closing is best regards.
Best regards, what does that mean?
It means you wish them well. It's a standard way to close an email. Best regards.
Can I just say regards?
Yes, regards is also okay. It is a little shorter, but best regards is very warm and professional.
Okay, I will use best regards and then my name?
Yes, after best regards, you put a comma. Then on the next line, you write your name, Alex.
Okay, best regards, Alex.
Listeners, let's practice the closing. Repeat after me. Best regards. Best regards.
Okay, Lily, we have the subject line, we have the greeting, we have the opening, we have the purpose, we have the closing. Is there anything else, or am I finished?
There is one last thing, Alex. It is very important. You must check your email.
Check my email. You mean read it again?
Yes, read it again. Check for spelling mistakes. Check for grammar mistakes. Make sure names are correct.
Ah, yes. Sometimes I type too fast. I might write HPOE instead of HOEP.
Exactly. Always read before you click send. We call this proofreading.
Proofreading, that's a big word.
It is, but the action is simple. Just read it one more time.
Okay, I will always proofread.
Excellent. Now, Alex, let's try to put everything together. Let's make a new email.
A new email. Okay, I'm ready. What is the situation?
Imagine you are sick. You cannot go to work. You need to email your boss.
Okay, I am sick. I need to email my boss. Let's start with the subject line. How about sick day?
Sick day is good, or you can be more specific. Sick leave, Alex.
Okay, sick leave, Alex. That's very clear.
Now the greeting. Your boss is Mr. Johnson.
Dear Mr. Johnson,
Good. Now the opening. Be polite.
I hope you are doing well.
Very good. Now the purpose. Why are you writing?
I am writing to tell you I am sick.
That is okay, but let's make it more professional. I am writing to inform you that I am unwell today.
Inform, that's a new word. Inform means tell, right?
Yes, inform is the professional word for tell. I am writing to inform you.
Okay, I am writing to inform you that I am unwell today.
Perfect. Now the call to action. What will you do? Will you work tomorrow?
I hope so. I will say I hope to be back tomorrow.
That is good. And maybe say, I will check my emails.
I will check my emails.
And finally, the closing.
Best regards, Alex.
Wonderful. You wrote a full professional email. Listeners, did you follow along? Let's read Alex's full email one more time. Listen carefully.
Subject, sick leave, Alex. Dear Mr. Johnson, I hope you are doing well. I am writing to inform you that I am unwell today. I hope to be back tomorrow. Best regards, Alex.
Excellent job, Alex. That was clear. It was polite.
Thank you, Lily. It feels easier now. I know the steps.
Yes, if you follow the steps, it is easy. Subject line, greeting, opening, purpose, closing.
5 steps. I can remember that.
Before we finish, let's do a quick review for our listeners. I will say the definition, and you say the part of the email.
Okay, a quiz. I'm ready.
Question 1. What is the title of the email? It must be short and clear.
That is the subject line.
Correct. Listeners, did you get it? Subject line. Question 2. What phrase do we use to say goodbye professionally?
We use best regards.
Yes, best regards. Question 3. What is the polite first sentence? I hope.
I hope you are doing well.
Perfect. And the last question. What must you do before you click send?
You must proofread. You must check your spelling.
Exactly. You are a fast learner, Alex.
Thank you, Lily. This was a great lesson. I feel ready to write emails for work.
I am glad to hear that. Writing emails is a great skill. Practice it every day.
I will. And to our listeners, thank you for listening to Daily English Lines.
Yes. Thank you, everyone. Don't forget to practice. Try writing an email in English today, even a short one.
Good luck. See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a wonderful day.
Goodbye.